called me up, said come on down, help me out on the farm, we'll work the ground. I grabbed my boots, thought I'd lend a hand, but you know my luck, things ain't gonna go as planned. He put me on that tractor, big and green, said just plow that field, you'll keep it clean. I hit the gas and I felt so proud, until I smelled something smoking way too loud. 'Cause it all tractor fire, flame shooting high, one little spark and it lit up the sky. I tried to put it out, but it kept getting higher. Now I'm running from Cousin Earl's tractor fire. I grabbed a bucket, ran to the creek, but tripped on a rock, man, looks pretty bleak. The water spilled and the fire roared. Now Earl's cussing while I'm on the floor. Said, what you do? This was brand new. I tried to explain, but there's nothing I could do. The flames got higher, the smoke turned black. Now Earl's got a pitchfork, ready to attack. 'Cause it Earl's tractor fire, flames shooting high, one little spark and it lit up the sky. I tried to put it out, but it kept getting higher. Now I'm running from Cousin Earl's tractor fire. I swear it wasn't me, it's just my fate. If something's gonna break, it'll always be late. Now I'm banned from the farm, that's for sure. And Cousin Earl don't trust me no more. Cousin Earl's tractor fire, flames shooting high, one little spark and it lit up the sky. I tried to put it out, but it kept getting higher. Now I'm running from Cousin Earl's tractor fire. So if you see me coming, let's turn the other way. 'Cause when Lucky's around, things don't go okay. Yeah, Cousin Earl's tractor fire, who's to blame? Guess I'll carry